Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to adjust size of column and rows in Excel. So first we will see how the size of column can be changed or how the width of column can be changed. So to change the width of a column, select it and here from its right border, left click and drag it to the size you want to have. Similarly, you can also reduce its size or you can also increase its size. If you want to change the size of rows, select the row and then from its borderline, left click and drag to increase the size or decrease the size. This is how you can change the size of one column and one row. And if you want to change the size of multiple rows and multiple columns at a time, for example, I am selecting all these columns and now from left border of any column, left click and drag it. And when you will leave it, you can see the size of all the columns have been changed. And if you want to reduce it, then again their size is reduced. So this is how you can adjust the size of multiple columns. And if you want to resize or adjust the size of multiple rows, similarly you can select it and then left click on the bottom line and drag it to increase it, or similarly you can also decrease it. So this is how you can adjust size of column and rows in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.